From top bar click on Site Settings and choose Menu. You can choose a different type of menu styles from here. Let's revert to fixed menu style, it looks good. You can also choose the hamburger menu style and customize it completely as per your requirements. From menu setting, choose the section and then click on the edit option. From here you can change the hamburger size, effects and its color. You can also set it to top, or overlay. From the effects tab, you can change the hamburger menu color. Click on the menu and choose Menu Settings, add the elements of your choice like logo, title, etc. Visible menu options. Click on Title, Logo, or Subtitle, to change the font type, color or text spacing. You can adjust the logo size and apply filters to it. To upload your logo, click on the default logo and click on the Upload button. You can also choose a logo from our icon or logo center. Again click on the menu setting, and from the website menu, click on the arrow icon to insert it below the main menu link. You can adjust the menu setting panel to left or right as per your convenience. To change the menu color, click on the menu directly and choose the color of your choice or matching your brand color. Adjust the color of button, text and hover effects from here. You can also add the button hover effect from Buttons Effect Settings. With VINTCER's Pro settings, you have fine control over your element's design. From spacing, Control chooses the button spacing from the drop-down list and adjust the parameters as per your need.